Martin pushed him. Martin, meeny, 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 Martin, Martin, meeny, 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 Martin, 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 meeny, meeny, pushed him. Meeny, 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 Martin, must have pushed him. Look at these birds, dude. Look at these birds chasing each other around, acting crazy as hell. I love these birds, man. Happiest birds you ever seen. Look at them. Get them! Oh my God! Whoa! Them motherfuckers is fighting. Holy shit! God damn! Did I get that on recording? Holy fuck! And that one bird grabbed the other bird and they went to the ground with it. Holy shit! Fucking badass little battle trooping birds. Dude, I never noticed that teardrop in the middle of that pine tree before. That's a fucking new one on me. Where is it? Damn, I hope I got them birds doing that, and that was crazy, huh? Holy shit, that was fucking nuts, dude. Yeah, it was. That was completely fucking nuts. That was nooking foot.